Hello and welcome back to Project Management module in Fluval. It's very nice to have you back. In this video, I will talk about the objective of my module, of the whole module, not just this week, but the whole 5, 6, 7 week program we have in total. So for me, it's very essential and crucial that you know what you can expect from this course and what is not part of the story. Therefore, the objectives you want to reach, that's very important to define and that we agree in this. Okay, this is online course, you can't agree and give feedbacks, but in the discussion forum, we can eventually expand or adapt the program to what you really need, or I can give you additional information on the discussion forum. So, as you can see on the slide, the objectives are clearly defined. You should be able to explain the definition of a project and describe the difference to a process. As you will learn later in one of the next videos, a project is something unique. You're doing it once, and a process is something you are continually doing. It's a repeating thing. So, for example, a check-in in a hotel, that's a process, a standard operation procedure. Setting up of a new hotel, that's a typical project. You will learn about what is the difference. You will work with these differences and you will find out and be sure what is a project and what is a process. And you will learn as well that most what people are talking about, that's my project, is actually a process and not really a project. And next objective we have is to be in a position to set up a reasonable project task in the own work environment. So I don't want to have you learning all the academics about projects management. I could talk to you for hours about this, but I'm not interested in this topic. I'm interested in giving you some practical tools, some practical help and support to run successfully with your project, with your personal project. So I want to give you some hands to go into practical project management. The next one is being able to plan a project effective and realistic and assessing the most important stumbling block. So not only make a plan, it's easy on the computer to make a nice four-colored plan and so show some charts that are very impressive to all the people. But actually we want to have realistic material. We want to have project management tools that really work out and are not just nice paperwork. And I can tell you I worked for more than 25 years as a consultant. I know exactly how to do papers or how to produce papers, but I'm not a salesman of papers. In the meantime, I want to get results. With realistic tools, you get results. Therefore, you also should be aware on the stumbling blocks. You should know what is the critical elements, where do I could fall down, and what can I do to avoid this falling down. You should be qualified to operate as a project manager for small to medium projects. Okay, I started with small to medium projects because I want you to implement what you learn in your working environment. Not just have a nice course, a nice program, do some interesting studies. And to start, as usual, you should start with small elements, with small projects, and grow up and up and up to medium or bigger projects, of course. And last but not least, you should be aware about the importance of a proper project termination. Most of the project managers forget about the proper termination. They are not aware on the importance of a project termination, because at the end you shall resolve the project team. You shall give back the team to its original place. Of course, you should say thank you to all the people that supported you during a couple of weeks, months, or even years. And last but not least, even if the project is a unique task, you should discuss and evaluate the lessons learned. There are always lessons learned in a project. Is it for the project management tools, for the forms you use, or even for experiences you had with the management structure of the company. So this is the objectives I want to reach with you. I'm looking forward to this course, and I'm happy to have you in, and you just now finished the second video. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye bye.